Good morning all. In this video, we will be showing how to reset the alarm 810 in Yaskawa servo drive. If you are using any absolute encoder with the drive. So, for that we need to go to Sigma Win software. So, I will open Sigma Win software and I will communicate with the drive. I will click on search. I have connected a USB cable. I will click on SERVOPACK. So now I have found the drive and motor combination, which is Sigma 10 5R5A00A, and along with the motor SGM 10J08AU-A61A1. So this is an absolute encoder motor. So I have to click on connect. So once I click on connect, you can see here A.810 alarm is occurring. How to reset this alarm? You have to go to menu and there is an option called reset absolute encoder. So click on this option, click on continue, click on execute and click on continue. So now you can see the caution absolute encoder reset processing has been performed. The multi-turn amount in the absolute encoder has been set to 0. Be sure that you reset the mechanical system to 0 after restarting. So click on OK, then close the dialog box, then you need to power off and power on. So I have switched off the power and I have switched on the power now. Now you can see there is no alarm. A.F10 alarm is coming. This is a new alarm. This alarm is regarding your input voltage supply. So I have given input voltage supply of single phase. Okay. So what is the other option? We need to check. So what is the first option you will check? We will go to menu and go to edit parameters. From here you have to click on this hierarchy level, then you go to function parameters or basic function parameters. In you have to select the input voltage. So it will be parameter PN00B. Click on parameter PN00B and here you can see the power input selection is not of 3 phase. So I need to change it to single phase. So I click on this and click on right. So after this I need to power off and power on. After power off and power on, you can see there is no alarm in the drive. There are only warnings of POT and NOT. So what is POT and what is NOT? POT is positive out travel and NOT is negative out travel. How to bypass these both alarms we will see now. So for that you have to go to IO configuration and you have to allow this variable POT. So now we have not connected any digital inputs. So we have to bypass that, make it 8, and for NOT you have to make this for 8. And now you have to write the parameter in drive, and after that the warning will come as A.941. that means some parameter I have changed. For that I have to restart the drive. So I will restart the drive. So now I have restarted the drive. After restarting of the drive, I can see power is on and POT NOT both are disabled, and I am getting BB. BB is nothing but base block. That means there is no alarm in the drive and the drive is ready to operate. Okay. After BB has come, the first operation we will be doing is checking for the speed, motor speed in jog operation. For that you have to close this, say no, go to menu, okay, then go to jog and you will check whether you want to run the motor in forward or reverse direction, so that there is no POT NOT connected in the system. So, click on OK, and here you can see this is some default RPM. So, what we will do is, for safety reasons, we will make it 5 RPM. Okay. Then I will give servo on. So, once I give servo on, the motor shaft will be locked, and also you will get run command. Okay. Once the run command has come, you can click on jog operation, and you can see motor is started to rotate. Okay. So, how to check what is the velocity? You need to go to menu. I click on servo off. I will go to monitor, and we will check what is the RPM. I will give servo on. Then after servo on, I will click on forward. So, you can see the RPM is updated as 5 RPM. Then I will click on reverse. So, you can see RPM is updated as minus 5 RPM. So, I will click on tab, and I will servo off. So, once servo is off, it will come back to base block. So, this is the basic procedure to check the drive and motor healthy condition through your encoder cable and power cable is connected.